I really like the icon here for the battery. I will order. Nice. Look, a lot of details. The food menu, I have French fries and pizza. Okay, so let's order a large French fries. It's not clicking. I don't know why. Large pizza. Okay, now they are clicking. Again, large. 10. And I'm gonna press on order now. So I ordered one small French fries, one small pizza, 4 slices. I press on order. Wow. And finally, this is the $0.79 for the French fries. When I press on click me, look guys, what Anna Maria did. She did a great job here. So whenever I press on click me, I have congratulations, you won. You have won a gift card of 200 points. So wow, this is the card gift of 200 points. You have won this gift card of 200 points. Follow us on the following apps: Facebook, Instagram. Wow, that's amazing. If I press on a place order, it's gonna show me this screen. Thank you for your order. Have a nice day.